Alright, follow me for a second here, okay? And keep your eye on this eye right here, okay? Alright. First of all, remember this guy? Okay? Now, don't get used to him. Get used to this guy, okay? Alright. Now, which do you like better? Well, of course I like Jack Lord better, but Alex O'Loughlin, not bad as Steve McGarrett. Different take, different actor, different series. Of course, I'm talking about the new Hawaii Five-0 on CBS Monday night at 10. Now, a lot of fans wanted to just hate on this show just because it's not your Hawaii Five-0 that was created in 1968. But you got to remember, people, this is 2010, and the cop show's changed in the last 42 years. And considering it for a 2010 audience, it's not that bad, but not the best thing ever. Will I watch it every week? Yeah, I'll try and catch it. I'll try and DVR it. If not, watch it online. It's not a bad effort, but you got to remember this is a reboot, and if people know reboots, the creators behind it know reboots. Amongst the people who created this reboot is two people, namely Robert Orci, Alex Kurtzman. They were behind the Star Trek reboot in 2009. Star Trek, Paramount, CBS. I wonder how they got to this series. Think about that. But the cast is pretty good. Alex O'Loughlin as Steve McGarrett. You have Scott Conn, son of James Conn, as Danny Williams, Dano. You have Daniel Day Kim as Chin Ho, and Kono is now a woman instead of a big burly Hawaiian guy as he was in the original. Kono played by Grace Park, and the pilot was pretty good. I'd catch it before I catch anything else. It tells what the original series didn't, which is of how it came together. And I guess the real fear when I saw this pilot is it going to be a CSI Hawaii? And it didn't go down that road. Thankfully, the characters have personality, which is what they don't have on CSI. So anyway, it's a pretty good pilot. I think it'll last at least a whole season, and it got pretty good numbers. So I can recommend giving it a watch. But anyway, that's all I have to say.